Greetings, friends, fellow traders. I remain Samuel Okoyeocha. I want to bring you the weekly analysis based on advanced method of Elliott Wave, as I do every week. Okay, so just for a reminder, if this is the first time you are watching my analysis, please like, share, subscribe. Join my Telegram channel is free. You can only pay if you want to join the VIP or you want to learn. I have a channel for students and other services. Okay, so now remember, there are scammers who go about making comments under my under the comment section, making promises to make so and so amount of BTC for you within a week, within a month. They are all scammers. Don't follow them. Don't follow them. They're just trying to lure you into the scam site. Please, trading is not easy. If it is easy, everybody will be making money. So to trade and make money, you must learn it. If anybody is making money, the person will not have the chance to look for those who he or she will trade for and make money for. So to make money in trading, you have to take their time and learn it. I'm also available for training, one-on-one training, if you need such services. Okay, so let's dive into the business of the day. So DSY, nothing to say much. It's still going down. I don't know, maybe it's going to 98 or 99 or maybe 97. I don't know, but now it's still, the thing is that it's still going down. So if we get these 4 hours, we might get excuse me, we might get another move up, not a must. So if we get another move up, better. So I will sell again if price comes to this zone, 102.4, 102.7, or anywhere at this zone. I will sell again and go below 100. Okay, USD. USD. What happened on USD? It is always opposite of DXY. So the daily is like this. We might get a little move down before going up. But as for it's going up maybe 1.1, 1.12 or thereabout. So it's still going up. So let's go down to 4 hours. This very move is an alternate move. I mean, I show you this so that if you see it happening, don't be surprised. Though I'm not expecting it. So the worst I'm expecting is a kind of expanding flat, which might be something like this. So either we get this, we get this. This may not happen. Just is rare, but such happens. News can cause such move, and they will think it's now going down. Then it turns again. But this is what I'm expecting. First one, second one. So we see going up. That's much I will say about that. You find your entry. You need to know buy setup, sell setup. That's what you must know in trading. If not, you keep making mistakes. Okay, USDCAD. USDCAD. After 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, I'm looking for an ABC. So this sharp drop is an indication that we will go lower, maybe 1.344 zone before we look for either buy or continue selling. It may come to this zone and the reverse, or it may come to this zone, make correction, and sell again before going up. Future will tell, let not be too fast, but now it's gonna drop. USDCHF. it's also dropping. It will drop once more. Anything on daily, nothing on daily, 4 hours. My forecast is this. It will give us a price move 0.9, 0.902 or 0.905 or thereabout before a drop again. A drop which will get to between 0.879, 877, 875 zone, or it can even go lower to 8786, and so that's the selling not yet over. That's the message on that. Pounds USD, I'm looking for pounds USD to sell. Though the selling, it may go a bit higher. So now, this is what I'm expecting. Please note that this selling might go a little higher before it sells. So look for sell setup. Don't just begin to sell because you see this. No, if you don't get set up, don't sell. So, but why I'm showing this is I'm no longer looking for buy, at least temporarily on pounds USD. I'm not looking for buy now. The buyer might not be able, but I'm not looking for buy now. So I'm looking for sell. If I get set up from here, I'll just sell and target this zone. AUDUSD is still selling. I'm looking at a drop towards 0.65. But before then, I'm expecting this to give us a corrective buying, something like this, around this zone, or maybe this zone. So after that, it will drop again. The selling is not yet over. That's for AUDUSD. Selling not over. New Zealand USD. I'm also looking for sell not over again. The daily chart suggests that we still have enough, the possibility of getting a drop down to 0.59, 0.585, 587, or even 0.58. It's still possible. But daily charts is it takes time to complete. It takes weeks, sometimes months to go where it's expected to go. So, but let's go back to 4 hours where we will see what we're looking for. So after this, we will get a little move higher, but dropping is sure. Sellers not tired, so not time to buy New Zealand USD. Buying, I have to wait. Unless you have your own reason to buy. For now, myself, I don't have a reason to buy New Zealand USD for now. GBP25. GBP225, what do we have? The price is good. Let me check daily. The price is going up. Last week, I was expecting the price to go down around here. Let me show you. I was expecting the price to sell around here and drop, but it didn't happen. This is why I always tell you to look for setup before you buy or sell. If you sell blindly, you can be lucky, make money. You can buy blindly, you're lucky and make money, but you can't be lucky all the time. So you need knowledge. Okay, so now the buying is not over, though the buying is no longer much from my own calculation. The buying is no longer much. Let me go back to 4 hours. So this is the reversal zone. Maybe going down to 1 hour can be helpful. If you must buy, you need to get a pullback or correction, something like this, before you buy. But don't buy from here. Okay. About selling, I have no reason to sell unless something happens and I see a sharp move like this, then I begin to look for sell around here. For now, I'm looking for buy. Pounds JPY. Pounds JPY. It is at the sell zone. Pounds JPY. Meanwhile, for the past weeks, I'm looking for this what I'm trying to say. You know, nobody controls the market. I say it often. We trade based on what we see in the market. So I was looking for something like this last week. Then to get a move like this, it didn't happen. So even this very move, I didn't expect it. I was expecting maybe even if we are going up, it's going to drop like this before going up. You see, all those things didn't happen. That to tell you that markets don't respect you, market doesn't know you, market doesn't care about you. You can only forecast based on what you have known. So now, but looking at weekly, you can know that selling is not over. Maybe the market can go to this zone before this big selling starts. What makes wave analysis so unique is that whenever you always know where the market is going, and if you get this right, you make money easily when you get the right entry. So now, this might be a trade, but maybe from October, September, this sale might begin or end of the year, or maybe next year. But this sale will happen. When? I don't know. But I know it will. You know JPY. You know JPY. The same thing is going on many JPY pairs, except USDJPY. So now, daily or USDJPY, it is at a reversal zone, waiting for sell setup to sell. So this is where knowledge comes in. Even myself, I haven't found sell setup. When market opens Monday, Tuesday, I will likely get sell setup. Then I will sell. I'm no longer, at least one thing you will get from me now is that I'm no longer buying EURJPY. I can still buy pound JPY, but EURJPY, I cannot buy it again. USDJPY, USDJPY, okay, so now USDJPY, I'm looking for sell. Okay, I'm looking for a drop like this. Maybe it will still go lower, but for now, I'm looking for a drop like this, just to break this low, first of all, before either this or this. So now let's go down to 4 hours. So I'm looking at selling it a little above at 137.1, 137.2. I'll look for sell setup around this higher zone. Okay, so now let's go to gold. Gold, let's check daily. Gold is correcting. The buying not over is correcting. So let's now we'll likely get a move up around 2000, 2010, 20. between 2000 to 2020, we will get a sell. That is, if it goes up, it may be, but between 2000 to 2020, we get another sell. After that, we now look for either continue buying or to make ABC to give us double correction. So we may get double correction on gold. But for now, let's focus on this drop first. So forget this one. Maybe next week, we will know whether it will happen or not. Silver. Silver. I'm looking, silver is making the silver, the way silver is moving, it can make a surprise, but I follow structure. I follow structure. So silver, what I'm looking at for silver is, let me go down to 2 hours. This is what I'm looking at. This is A, B, C, or maybe 1, 2, 3. Okay, A, B, C, then B. A, B, C, C, W. Then I'm looking for A, B, C again to give us X, then and Y. So we call it double zigzag. I'm looking for W, X, Y on silver. So maybe, I don't know how to explain to you, but silver, even if we see silver, even if we see silver do something like this, it will still come back. So unless it goes above this zone, then we look for what is happening. But for now, I'm looking for it to drop before buying it again. Platinum, I'm looking for a further drop around 1049, 1040, 1030, 1020 zone before the buying continues. So the buying will continue after this dropping. So nothing much to explain on that. US oil. US oil. Oil is made 5 waves. It's now correcting. So now, where will oil end the correction? I don't know yet. There are some, let me show you. This sharp move creates a kind of difficulty in this chart. But nevertheless, it will either buy, it will either correct and buy, or it will turn. So I'm expecting this very move. This is what I'm expecting. If this will happen, I will also know. But for now, don't sell blindly, don't buy blindly. Okay, so that's all I can tell you about oil. Maybe you focus on other pays. If oil is difficult for you to trade for now, or maybe you wait for after correction, you wait for buy. NASDAQ. I'll show you the date on NASDAQ. NASDAQ, we still have a lot of room for going up. We still have a lot of room. Either it comes to this level and go down, then go up again. So, or it will be just come to this level, make a little correction, come to this level, then before making a bigger drop. So whichever one, it can make this type of move before and do this and drop, or a little move down, do this and drop. So NASDAQ is still buying for now. If you go to 4 hours, you look for buy because there are still room to go upwards. If you go down to 1 hour, you still see room for buying. Though this, okay, now this looks like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And after that, normally we get A, B, C. This is why I said when you go to 1 hour and 4 hours, you look for buy. So maybe this type of structure will present itself, and if it happens, it will be a good opportunity to buy again. So that is it. Let me go down to 4 hours. So you can see if this happens, buy from here will make sense because you're gonna see make good profits buying from here. So now that's for NASDAQ. And let's go to US30. US30 and NASDAQ, they are doing the same thing. You still look for buy on US30. The buy not to, but at least we are going to 34400, 34600, 347, 348. So this zone is where we are heading before we get a correction for a bigger buy. So it's still buying 8,500. S&P 500, what do we have there? The same situation. Okay, I'll show you 4 hours on this. So the daily. Here is where we are heading. This move we take out to this 440, 439, 400, 4400 to 4500. This area is where we begin to look for sell. For now, look for buy. Okay, I will add. Okay, look for buy anyway. Then on I will add cryptos here because I don't have time to make another video for cryptos. So BTC is simple. We have two things facing us. Being a wave trader, the only thing that makes sense to me is that this is this is wave A. This is wave B. Then wave C. This is the only thing that makes sense to me. Can Bitcoin drop a little and begin to buy? It's possible. If it do this and begin to buy, I may miss the buying because I'm not looking for this type of structure, but it is possible it may happen. But I tell you, if you give me this structure, by God's grace, I will not miss it because I will buy from here and target maybe 40,000 or whatever. So now, if this happens, I'll be happy. If it doesn't happen, I'll look for buy when it breaks at 100. So that is it. And we know BTC and other coins, they go together. I cannot be showing you Ethereum and others. They all follow BTC. So if time permits me, I'll made a different video on that. But that time I do not get. So that's the end of today's analysis. Thank you for watching and God bless you.